Did you know that Helium Browser offers multiple layout styles that can completely change how your tabs and address bar are displayed? Whether you prefer a traditional browser layout or something more space-efficient, Helium gives you several options to choose from. To quickly switch between layouts, right-click anywhere on the tab bar and hover over Browser Layout. You'll see 4 different layout options: Classic, Dynamic, Compact, and Vertical. Let's start with Classic. This is the default layout you'll see when installing Helium Browser. It follows the traditional browser design that most users are already familiar with the tab bar displayed across the top of the window. The second option is Dynamic. This layout hides the tab bar when it's not needed, creating a cleaner browsing experience. If you only have a single tab open, no tab bar is shown. As soon as you open another tab, the tab bar appears below the address bar, making it available when you need it while staying out of the way when you don't. Next is Compact. This layout reduces the size of the address bar, allowing the address bar and tab bar to share the same row. This frees up additional vertical space for websites and can make the browser feel more streamlined, especially on smaller screens. The final option is Vertical. Instead of displaying tabs across the top, tabs are shown in a vertical sidebar on the left side of the browser window. This makes it easier to manage larger numbers of tabs since you can see them listed one below another. You can also adjust the width of the sidebar by dragging its edge to make it narrower or wider. There's another way to access these layout options as well, and that's where you'll find a few additional customization settings. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner and open Settings. Then select Appearance and Behavior from the menu on the left side. Here you'll find the browser layout setting where you can switch between the same 4 layout styles. Depending on which browser layout you're using, you'll also see additional customization options. The Classic and Dynamic layouts both include center address bar and minimal address bar settings. The Compact layout includes the minimal address bar option, while the Vertical layout adds a third setting called Show Vertical Tabs on Right Side. Since these settings mainly affect the browser's appearance and layout, I recommend experimenting with them to see which combination best fits your browsing style and personal preference. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing for more Helium Browser tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.